Card 3. Nightmares of Nature. Barracudas. Barracudas patrol the world's warm oceans, using their flesh-ripping teeth to slash into victims, sometimes slicing their prey in two. This fish is often found near coral reefs, where the abundant sea life creatures an all-you-can-eat buffet for the hungry predator. Tail power. A barracuda's tail is backed with muscles. Sweeping tirelessly from side to side, it lets the fish stay in constant pursuit of prey. Mouth off. Fangs in front and saw-like teeth and back spell-doom. For a barracuda's victims, this fish can open its jaws wide to swallow smaller fish whole, or take huge chunks out of larger prey. Creature features. Species: Spirena varius. Size: length up to 6 feet, weight up to 100 pounds. Body parts: torpedo-shaped body, strong tail, sharp fangs. Habitat: all warm oceans, especially around coral reefs. Prey: smaller fish, squid and shrimp.